Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9. Today I'm going to show you a cool workaround to install the Reddit app on your Mac. Since there isn't an official Reddit app for Mac, I'll guide you through a simple method that lets you create a Reddit-like app that you can add to your dock. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Reddit homepage by typing in www.reddit.com. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, click once on the Browser tab. Then, grab the URL of that page by clicking and dragging it to your desktop. This action will create a browser shortcut for Reddit. Now, if you double-click on this shortcut, Reddit will open up in your browser. But we want to make this shortcut look and feel like a real app. To make this shortcut look better, go to the website macosicons.com. In the search bar, type Reddit and pick out an icon that you like. Once you find one, click on it to download it to your computer. Next, we'll replace the shortcut icon with the new Reddit icon. Right-click or Command-click on the Reddit shortcut and select Get Info. In the Info menu, drag the downloaded icon into the top left corner, where the current icon is. You can also rename the shortcut to Reddit by clicking on the name and typing in the new name. Finally, to add this new Reddit app to your dock, simply drag the shortcut into your dock. Now, whenever you click on it, Reddit will open up in your default browser. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Reddit app on your Mac that you can easily access from your dock. This method works with any website, so feel free to create similar apps for Disney+, Facebook, Google Maps, Gmail, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more handy tech tutorials.